name is Freddy Bryant. I'm the supervisor at Lodge Park. Today we're going to learn a few little basic tips and techniques for grilling. On your grill, you always want to make sure your grill is clean. If you don't have a brush, you can take a lemon, stick a fork in it, and clean your grill with some lemon. You also want to keep your grill out of the elements. If you have a cover, put the cover on it. If not, put it in a shaded area. It's also being safe. Also having the proper tools when you're grilling. You're going to need some tongs, spatula, and the reason why with the tongs is you want to grab your meat from the end and turn it and flip it over. You don't never want to stick a fork in the middle of it. That way you let all the juices and everything out. Okay? Lighting your coals. The best coals for me that I use is Kingsford. I don't use lighter fluid because if you don't let the lighter fluid burn off, your food will be tasting like chemicals. So what I use is a chimney. It's called a chimney. You stick paper up under here, your coals are in the top. When you light the fire, once they catch, you dump your coals in the pit. Also, we have pits that have temperature gauges on it, so you want to watch the temperature. You also, the stacks, these how you can control your fire. If you want it to come high, you know you need air for fire to burn. So this helps control the fire. You never want to keep opening and closing the lid on your pit because you let the heat out. Okay? Also, we have a spritz bottle. You know, some people use apple juice. This is just some apple cider vinegar, some lemon juice, and water. And you spray this on your meat, and that helps keep it moist. Also, one of my tricks that I use for you people who like hot dogs and you have kids, I have some basic regular hot dogs that I rub down with a little oil, a little seasoning, put them back in the bag, and they sit overnight. And that's the whole key with your meat and your prep work. You want to prepare the day before. The cleaning your meat, the seasoning, that works better. Okay? So today we have some chicken and some country style ribs that we're going to be doing. For me, I like to do it the day before. That's what I do. And everything, you know, all your flavor and everything comes out great. Okay, let's get started. Right now I'm getting ready to light the chimney so the coals can get started. And once the coals get white and lit, then I'm going to add them to the pit. Let's take a lighter. It's going to take a few minutes for the coals to actually catch. And once they catch, then we'll put them on the pit. And we get situated and setting the meat on the grill. Okay, now that we got the coals lit in the chimney, we got to make sure that they are all hot. So now that we have them in, we're going to get ready to start putting our meat on the grill. Touching the meat, so you gotta make sure you have your gloves on. especially since it's chicken. Space them out. Okay, now we got our meat on the grill. We have some chicken on the grill. We have some country style ribs. You always want to make sure that your meat is spread it out evenly, that you have spaces in between it. That way, so the heat can come through and cook everything evenly. So right now, I'm gonna close the lid since we have everything on here, and I'll be checking the grill periodically. I want to keep my temperature. I'll be watching my temperature gauge and make sure that it doesn't go over 250. So I'm gonna open this up a little bit. That's gonna let a little bit more airflow come in. Now, within maybe an hour, this chicken will be ready and these ribs will be ready. After a few minutes, you want to check your grill so you can start turning the chicken, so you don't want your meat to burn. So right now we're turning them. After I turn them for the second time, I'm actually going to switch places with the ribs over here and take them off the fire. So that's just a little tip right there. That way they're cooking, but it slows down the process. So you get beef. That's going to add some moisture. Keep it from drying out. So I'll check them in a few minutes and come back and turn the ribs over. Right here in this bottle right here is just some water, some apple cider vinegar, and some lemon juice. That's my spritz spray. Okay, now it's time to take everything off the grill, put it in the pan. See? So I cut this down for the ribs. Now, a lot of people sauce their meat after they take it off the grill. Some sauce it on the grill. I'm one of those people who very seldom sauce the meat. I like to taste the flavor. Very important. That's what we're looking like. Nice and slow process. A couple of hours. If you want something real fast, not gonna happen. If you want the good final turnout, you need still to be tender and moist. So now the other part is we want to finish the saucing process up in the inside. That's what I like to do when they come off the grill. But it's up to you. You know, some people like sauce, some don't. So that's our grilling for today. Thanks for grilling with Fred. Next week we're going into the on how to smoke. Use the smoker for your meat. So be safe. Stay in tune. And we'll see you next week.